Welcome to Body Act channel. What is a keto diet? A keto diet is a diet that is high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbs. This type of diet forces the body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbs. This diet has been shown to be effective for weight loss, blood sugar control, and overall health. There are plenty of food options available to those on the ketogenic diet. With so many options available, it's easy to stick to the keto diet and still enjoy your meals. Types of foods you can eat on the ketogenic diet. 1. Fish and seafood. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to stick to your keto diet, then you'll want to consider adding fish and seafood to your menu. Fish and seafood are not only low in carbs, but they're also packed with protein and healthy fats. Plus, they're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for your health. There are a variety of ways to cook fish and seafood, so you're sure to find a recipe that you'll love. Whether you're in the mood for grilled salmon, baked cod, or shrimp stir-fry, there's a keto-friendly option for you. And, if you're looking for something a little different, you can even try making fish tacos or seafood stuffed peppers. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some fish. 2. Low-carb veggies. If you're on a keto diet, you may be wondering what kinds of veggies are low in carbs. Here are some great options to include in your meals: broccoli, kale, spinach, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are all low in carbs and high in nutrients, making them a great addition to a keto diet. Adding these veggies to your diet can help you reach your goals, and they're also delicious. So, don't hesitate to add them to your meals. 3. Cheese. If you're on the keto diet, you may be wondering if cheese is allowed. The answer is yes, you can eat cheese on the keto diet. However, you'll need to be careful about which type of cheese you eat. Some cheeses are higher in carbs than others. For example, mozzarella cheese contains about 1 gram of carbs per ounce, while cheddar cheese contains about 0.4 grams of carbs per ounce. So, if you're following a strict keto diet, you'll want to choose cheeses that are low in carbs. 4. Avocados. The keto diet is all about low carb, high fat eating. And what could be more perfect for that than avocados? Avocados are packed with healthy fats that will help keep you in ketosis and help you lose weight. Plus, they're super versatile and can be used in a variety of keto-friendly recipes. So if you're looking for a delicious way to help you stick to your keto diet, make sure to add avocados to your grocery list. 5. Poultry. Poultry is an excellent choice for a keto diet. It is high in protein and low in carbs, making it a perfect fit for this type of diet. Plus, poultry is also a great source of healthy fats, which are essential for a keto diet. There are a variety of poultry options to choose from, so you can find the perfect fit for your keto diet. Chicken, turkey and duck are all excellent sources of protein and can be cooked in a variety of ways. 6. Eggs. If you're following a keto diet, you'll want to make sure you're getting enough protein. One way to do this is by incorporating eggs into your diet. Eggs are a great source of protein and can be cooked in a variety of ways, making them a versatile addition to any meal. Whether you're making a keto-friendly omelette for breakfast, or a hard-boiled egg to add to your salad at lunch, eggs are a great way to make sure you're getting the protein you need. 7. Nuts, seeds and healthful oils. When it comes to keto dieting, nuts, seeds and healthful oils are key. Not only do they help keep you satiated and feeling fuller for longer, but they also help promote and maintain ketosis. When choosing these foods, be sure to go for those that are high in healthy fats and low in carbs, such as walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds and avocado oil. By incorporating these into your diet, you'll be well on your way to reaching and staying in ketosis, while also getting the added benefit of essential nutrients and antioxidants. 8. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. If you're on a keto diet, you may be wondering if you can eat yogurt and cottage cheese. The good news is that both plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are allowed on a keto diet. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium, and it's also low in carbs. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt contains about 5 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. Cottage cheese is also a good source of protein and calcium, and it's lower in carbs than most other types of cheese. 1 cup of cottage cheese contains about 5 grams of carbs, 2 of which are fiber. So if you're looking for a high-protein, low-carb snack, plain Greek yogurt or cottage cheese are both good choices. Just be sure to check the labels to make sure they're plain and don't contain any added sugars. That's all for the keto diet foods. So what do you think about keto diet? Let us know on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe.